For a long time, scientists believed that our brains were fixed and unchangeable. However, recent discoveries have revealed that our brains possess an incredible ability to adapt, change, and transform throughout life. This remarkable concept is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's inherent ability to reorganize and adapt in response to internal and external stimuli. Our brain's functions and structure can change due to various experiences, thoughts, and emotions. This adaptability enables our brain to compensate for damaged areas, recover from injuries, and even relearn lost skills. The term neuroplasticity was first coined by neuroscientist Jerzy Konorski in 1948. Konorski observed physical changes in the neuronal structure within the brain. Later research expanded on this concept, revealing that stress and experiences could alter brain processes and structure. There are two primary types of neuroplasticity: functional and structural. Functional plasticity allows the brain to move functions from damaged areas to undamaged ones. Structural plasticity enables the brain to change its physical structure after learning or experiencing trauma. Age and environment play significant roles in neuroplasticity. Younger brains are more impressionable, but older brains can still adapt and change. Genetics also influence neuroplasticity, but it's essential to recognize that you can shape your brain beyond your DNA. Neuroplasticity holds immense significance for recovering from brain injuries and diseases. By rearranging neural functions and pathways, neuroplasticity enables the brain to heal and adapt. Our brain forms connections based on habits. Repeating actions creates neural patterns, making habits hard to break. Understanding how habits become wired into our brain is crucial for making positive changes. When we perform an action accompanied by pleasure, our brain releases dopamine. Repeating this action creates neural patterns, leading to premature dopamine surges and cravings. 11 strategies for creating new behavior patterns using neuroplasticity. 1. Recognize the events, people, or situations that trigger unwanted behaviors. Reduce or eliminate these triggers to prevent anticipatory dopamine release and break the cycle of harmful habits. 2. Surround yourself with positive influences that stimulate growth and challenge your mind. This fosters an ideal setting for neuroplasticity. 3. E-learning a new language enhances vocabulary, creativity, problem-solving skills, and even increases gray matter in the brain. It also opens doors to new social connections. 4. Learning to play a musical instrument or listening to uplifting songs can improve mood, boost memory, and slow cognitive decline. 5. Explore new places, cultures, and experiences to inspire personal growth and create new neural pathways. 6. Adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours, allows your brain to reset, promoting neuronal growth and optimal function. Engage in physical activity to prevent neuron loss, boost serotonin levels, and enhance mood. Morning walks with sunlight exposure are particularly beneficial. 8. Utilize meditation, yoga, and healthy social interactions to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. 9. Cultivate a sense of purpose to motivate expansion of your thought processes and encourage positive changes in neural pathways. 10. Reward yourself for achieving goals to stimulate dopamine production and reinforce beneficial habits. 11. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your aspirations, fostering an environment that encourages growth and positive transformation. While the science of self-improvement and neuroplasticity is vast, taking small steps towards positive change can have a profound impact. As you progress, consider consulting professionals and seeking support from loved ones to ensure long-term success.